Having a portable Wi-Fi hotspot means you can connect your family, friends, or business colleagues to a secure wireless network affordably, whether at home, in a small off-site office, or even in the car. It also means if you're traveling for work or with the family, you can ensure productivity and entertainment will not be compromised, since you'll be able to connect up to 15 Wi-Fi-enabled devices at any given time to 4G LTE speeds. If you're in the market for a hotspot, check out the Alcatel LINKZONE from MetroPCS. It's affordable, compact, and lightweight, so you won't be limited to where you go. Let's talk about how to connect to the LINKZONE using a Wi-Fi-enabled device. How do you connect? Step 1. Press and hold the power key on the LINKZONE to power it on. You'll know it's powered on when you see the blue LED indicators light up. Please note, if the LED indicators do not power on after a couple seconds, you may need to charge the device. Step 2. Next, open settings on your Wi-Fi enabled phone, tablet, computer, etc. Step 3. Select Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Step 4. Click on Alcatel LINKZONE from the list and enter the password. This can be found on the inside cover of the device. Enter it into the search field on your Wi-Fi enabled device. Step 5. Once you've entered the password, click Join. Step 6. Once the connection has been confirmed, you can surf the web, stream content, or get to work, all at 4G LTE speeds. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from Alcatel.